Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to fix vocals off beat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your vocals are off beat in BandLab, you can easily fix them using several methods. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your BandLab app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, next is to tap on the plus icon on the bottom, then tap on the project that you are working on. Now inside here, what you need to do is simply select the area where you want to cut it and then tap on it, and now simply drag the pieces to align them with the beat. Then use the snap to grid feature to make adjustments easier, and lastly listen all the track to check if the vocals are on beat. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.